Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Mathletics Student account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.mathletics.com. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then scroll down your screen and click on Student/School option under Sign In option. Here you'll have to enter your username or email address associated with your account and your valid password. Before signing in, make sure that you have checked the box that says I agree to the terms and conditions to enter. If you want your device to remember your username, then check the box that says remember my username/email for future logins on this device. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgot Your Password link. If you had used your Google or Office 365 or NSW/DOE accounts while creating an account, then click on those options respectively in order to log into your Mathletics account. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can sign into Mathletics Student account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.